Hello and welcome to Interceptor Studios Bosleywood. Today, we'll be working on this FMS FJ40. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's go.
Alrighty, now we got the Injora drive shafts. This is the 119 to 159 millimeter. Not super smooth for some weird reason, but it has pretty good fitment in that it's tight, pretty tight. So the important part is that here. Try and just do a bit of a mock-up here because obviously the little holes don't line up, so we need to drill out a larger hole anyway. In here and in here and yeah, probably drill in here too so we get 2 extra screws that are thicker. Now, let's see, what do we have here? How about some portal axles, maybe? Them apples. Some fake tape cutting, because guess what? But you know, you didn't know that, so here we go. Here's some Meus nylon portal axles. Let's go. They say these are the best. That's what they say. They look pretty heavy duty to me. So I don't know if they're the best, but I hope they are. Also, in addition to these, I've got me some brass covers, a little extra down low weight, and a overdrive gear. Alright, I finally got that stubborn screw off, but ooh, that's some goo right there. Blue goo. A lot of it. Alrighty, so here's what I've got so far. I got the nice little portal axle. They look pretty good. The only issue that I found, well, actually not the only issue, but the issue was that the upper links right here, when I attach them to the top, actually aren't long enough. So basically, it like tilts the axles like at a huge angle like this, kind of. And it's like not gonna work. So, and yeah, same with the front. It's especially bad with the front because it's already angled. So when you attach those upper links, it's ridiculous how much angle there is. But anyway, and then the other thing was these 2 rod-ends of the thing right here kind of don't give me, I mean, it doesn't really give a lot of throw. And okay, this is like the maximum I've gotten out of it, and I had to like really back the screw out of there, so I'm gonna try and put some angled ball ends on there, I think. Oh yeah, also because like when it's straight up down like this, it gets basically hardly has any travel, allows for any travel, so I'll change those out too. The rest is pretty good though. Now we've all got pretty much got all M4 M4, I think it's M4 pins in here. And they're a lot bigger. These pins are a lot bigger, so should be a lot stronger. I'm gonna have to drill the holes into the in some holes into the transfer case right here, because these are not big enough holes to use the larger size pins. But I think that's all I need to do, pretty sure. And then obviously mount these shocks back up. Here's the new links I got. So I have high clearance links for the rears and straight ones for the front. Just changing the uppers because I have to. And honestly, the reason why I got the high clearance is because they were pretty much out of stock. These are far too long. Alas, this should be the right size for the rears, right? 120 millimeter. Should be perfect. One 20 millimeter links it is in the rear for the uppers here, and then I move the shock position from here to here in the rear, just because I wanted the extra travel and stuff. And then same with the fronts, I moved it down so there's effectively less spring right now, but I have heavy springs on the rear and then softer on the front. We'll see how that works. I stuck this, drilled a few holes and stuck that transfer case in because I couldn't use the original. It was drilling the holes out to be wider didn't work out for me, so yeah, we're resulting in this. Hopefully it'll be slow enough. Anyway, I also finally vented these tires, so excited to see how this performs.